Tom, a curious and adventurous child, explored his neighborhood with a determined expression, ready to face any challenges that came his way. His big, curious eyes scanned the surroundings for any hint of an adventure. One day, while walking by the park, he saw a small kitten trapped high up in a tree. The kitten's desperate meows tugged at his heart. Though he had a deep fear of heights, Tom knew he had to help. Heart pounding, palms sweaty, he took a deep breath and visualized his goal. With every determined step, he approached the towering tree. The branches seemed to stretch forever, but his resolve was firm. He took another deep breath, grasped the first sturdy branch, and began his ascent. Each upward move was a battle against his fear, but he kept pushing, driven by the kitten's cries. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, Tom reached the kitten. His face was a blend of fear and determination, captured in close-up shots that highlighted his courage. His hands trembling, he gently scooped up the frightened kitten and started the descent. The way down was no easier, but now he had the kitten to think about. Carefully, he climbed down, each step taken with painstaking caution. Upon reaching the ground, Tom was met with cheers from friends and family who had gathered and witnessed his act of bravery. He placed the kitten gently on the ground, and it immediately purred and rubbed against his leg as if to thank him. The crowd applauded, and Tom's heart swelled with pride. In the closing scene, Tom reflected on his experience. He felt a newfound sense of pride and inspiration, ready to face new challenges. The vivid colors of the sunset painted the sky, mirroring the bright future ahead of him. All the while, inspiring and motivating background music played, punctuated by the sound of rustling leaves and the kitten's soft meows. This moment left an indelible mark on Tom, reminding him that even in the face of fear, courage could lead to beautiful outcomes.